Hello everyone, welcome to 7 days challenge. 3 important words with a sentence to improve your English fluency and improve your vocabulary. Have you heard the word knife, jabber and coexist? If you haven't heard these words and how to use them in a sentence, please, after watching this episode, click on day 3 episode and watch it. Today is day 4 and I have brought you 3 new set of words. Number 1, fumble. 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 Tadumaru. Handle something clumsily, muddle. How can I avoid fumbling to speak good English? The second sentence could be, if you are concerned about your health, don't take matters into your hands and fumble blindly. Talk to your doctor and get a best treatment. Number 2, vague. Vague. It's a one-syllable word meaning தெளிவற்ற, unclear. You can say that's pretty vague. நீ சொல்றது ஒன்றும் அவ்வளோ கிளாரிட்டி இல்லையே, அவ்வளோ கிளியராக இல்லையே அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்ல, vague. The sentence could be, please stop beating around the bush and giving vague answers to my questions. Pouring. 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 கொட்டுகிறது. So the sentence could be, it was pouring heavily. I got drenched. So instead of saying பெரிய மழை பெய்யுது, heavy rain அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு பதிலாக you can say, yeah, it was pouring last night. ரொம்ப மழை கொட்டுகிறது, அதுக்கு தான் pouring. Okay? So try making a sentence with these 3 words and write them in the comment section and let me know what sentences will you try with these words today. So go ahead and use these words in multiple sentences today and I'll see you tomorrow with new words. Thank you.